This is the Silo Hotel in Cape Town, and that's Table Mountain. And so this is a hotel. We're gonna go take a look at one of the rooms. Here's the main common area. Over here is a museum across the way. A little boutique. Don't want to make a fuss here since there's other guests here. So I'll do some more talking once we get to the room. And so let's head this way. And we're going to open it up if I can find the key. Here we go. Room 604. And so anyways, yes, this is the Silo Hotel in Cape Town. And this is a duplex suite, meaning it's 2 stories. This is the main lounge area. The bedroom is downstairs, which I'll show you in a second. This is in a location in Cape Town called the Victoria Alfred Waterfront. You saw from the lounge and the restaurant area of this hotel, over there you have a view of Table Mountain. Here you'll see the waterfront. Cape Town is stunning in 360-degree direction wherever you go. This is just one of them. You can see off in the distance is the soccer stadium, or football, depending on where you're from. This is where they hosted the World Cup in 2010. Okay, so we'll turn around, take a look at the living room. Anyways, this is a duplex suite, the Silo Hotel, formed in 2017, established in 2017 as a luxury contender. Last time we were here, we stayed at the excellent Ellerman House, which has its pros and cons. It's gorgeous grounds, beautiful view, but it's not in the center of Cape Town, whereas this is right where the Victoria Alfred Waterfront is, which is the main kind of tourist area, and about 10 to 15 minute drive away from the base of Table Mountain. So Cape Town's a pretty compact city. Anyways, this is a duplex suite, and it ranges in size from 76 to 88 square meters. Don't know exactly how vast this room is in terms of indoor living space. But so here's the bathroom. Some more views. So the reason why it's called a silo is that this literally was a silo. There's like, I don't know exactly how many, but there were dozens of them in this area. And this hotel is one of them, or was one of them. And so the structure remains the same. At what point it was the tallest building in the southern hemisphere. I don't know circa when that would be, but supposedly that was the case, according to the general manager, who greeted us upon our arrival. Anyway, so that's where a lot of the grain back in the day were, delivered here, stored in the silos, and then loaded onto ships to be sailed off for delivery to mainly Europe. So anyways, there's some really nice properties. Again, Ellerman House, Cape Grace, certainly, which, by the way, is right across the way. You can see it says Cape Grace Hotel. This orange building across the canal. There's the Belmont Mount Nelson Hotel. And then there's this Silo, which is a relatively new contender in the luxury hotel space. So anyways, worth a look if you're going to be staying in the Cape Town area. This is the Duplex Suite, room 604 to be specific, at the Silo Hotel in Cape Town, South Africa. Hope you enjoyed.